Hey everyone, welcome to my Gaming Easy. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to show battle text on AFK Arena. So let's get started. First, open the AFK Arena game on your mobile device. Tap on the profile icon from the top left corner of your screen. Now, tap on the settings option. Here in the battle settings section, you can find the battle text option. Tap on the toggle switch right in front of it. When the toggle switch turns green, battle text will now be displayed during battles. And this is how you can show battle text on AFK Arena. Thank you for watching Make Gaming Easy. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you are new to our channel, please subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you won't miss our upcoming videos.